Midway point at the 9th annual POWRi Illinois Speed Week, and we are here at Lincoln Speedway for night number 3.
Just like every night, all starts and restarts until turn 4.
Look towards the front. I'm 67 years tired. Night number 3 of the POWRi Speed Week winner is Cannon McIntosh. Gonna be car number 21, Aaron Andruszkiewicz, winning tonight's feature event at Lincoln Speedway with the Lucas Oil POWRi 600cc Outlaw Micro League presented by Ingram Machine